Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be doing another Christmas inspired makeup look, and this time around the makeup is inspired by a candy cane, and I also enlisted the help of AI to generate for me an image that I could recreate for this look because I have become lazy like that. Sorry to say. Anyway guys, the first thing we do is skin prep, and for this case I'm going to be using my La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo Plus before going in with another primer. Now this one is a pore filling primer, and it's by Makeup Revolution, which is their pore blur and prime primer, and that's a mouthful. And this candy cane inspired makeup look, I was about to say no, return to sender when the AI generated for me this image that I'm going to show you, but I decided why not try it. I've hit pan on almost all of my makeup products, but hopefully in 2025 I'm going to be getting new makeup. So guys, don't be like me, don't finish everything to that extent. Anyway, we are going to just dry the areas that we are going to put our brows in. If you watched my previous Christmas inspired makeup look, that was also assisted by AI because the image was actually generated by AI. I suggest that you go watch it if you haven't watched it. It was such a beautiful look. It was the Santa inspired makeup look, and probably I'll link it below. So this is just brows, and for brows I normally just use two products. So I've used the Rimmel Wonderful Brow Gel, and then I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Fawn, and that's the one I'm going to use to highlight my brows so that they pop, they become more visible on my face. And then after that we'll just blend the concealer all out in, and then at the center I'm just going to be using the foundation that I used. That is what I'm applying at the center. The foundation that I'm going to use on my face is the one that I'm going to apply at the center, and that is the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade 9N. And then I'm going to color correct my face. Now you want a flawless base before you apply the rest of your makeup, and that's why I'm doing all these steps. I think they are very necessary if you want a flawless base. So for color correction, my mouth area, and most people of color, Africans, our mouth area is usually really a bit darker. You might not realize it until you put your face on a camera or on some form of artificial light, and then you will realize that your mouth area is actually dark. So that's why I color correct using an orange color corrector, and that is also by LA Girl. So I'm going to blend all that out before I do the rest of my face. For foundation, I said we are going to be using the L'Oreal True Match shade number 9N. As you can see, that's a pretty good match, especially for my neck. I normally match my foundation to my neck. I don't match it to my face. And we are just going to apply it with a brush, and then we are going to use a damp beauty blender to blend all that out. So another point that I want you to note very well is that this candy cane inspired makeup look, it didn't turn out exactly the way I anticipated, but it turned out pretty good. So tell me in the comment section whether you would try this makeup look. Now watch to the end so that you can see how it turned out, considering it was an image that AI generated for me. And I would also like to know your thoughts about it. Would you try this? Would you go anywhere with it? And also tell me if you enjoyed the video, and also any suggestion on what kind of makeup you would like to see on this channel. So guys, I'm going to put for you some soothing music so that you can reach the end of the video, so that you can relax as you watch my face getting beat, and I will see you at the end of the video. If you have reached this point in the video, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. You can also join my channel down below. Make sure that you like, share with your friends, and also put your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll is how the makeup turned out. Honestly, I might have changed that makeup quite a bit from the image that I was given, but I think the eyeshadow turned out really well. I love the green. The lips, I might have just gone for the nude that I was given, because I feel like the red became too much, the burgundy became too much. But also the candy canes, I did not draw them on well, but generally I think it still looks cute for a makeup look. I'll see you in my next video.